Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Gorgius Hair once again. Same packaging as usual. So first thing I'm seeing is this right here. Okay, so this is a cute little head wrapper, I believe. This is really cute. It's a cute print. You know, it's different. So yeah, this is really nice. I like the look of this. And then we have the bag with the wig. Let's see what other goodies we got. I got this multicolored earring, a pair of earrings. Also got a pair of wig caps. And I got this little pouch here that says Gorgius. Now there's an extra piece of elastic in here. Also got some hairpins, edge brush and comb. Got some of these little section clips here. And then lastly in the bag I got a pair of tweezers. So I'm so excited for this wig that I got it's been a long time since I've showed you guys a headband wig, right? It feels like forever. But this that I have today is the Wildflower. That's what they refer to this as. That's the name of this wig. It's a curly bohemian style headband wig. This is 16 inches long and it's a natural black color, as you can see. Alright, so this is the headband portion. You know, for all my girls that, you know, want to take a break from lace wigs. Oh my gosh, I've heard that too much since lately. You want to take a break from the lace, but you don't know what to do with your hair. This is a good way to kind of, you know, take a break and still figure out, like, what's your next hairstyle, what's your next hair move, and still look cute in that break period. Great, great, great protective style. Now look at these curls. They look very moist. Very nice and defined, and it's nice and soft as well. So I love that. Am I getting shedding? Just a little. I don't usually get a lot of shedding from my headband wigs at all. It looks really nice and full as well. And as I said, this is 16 inches. That's what it says. So you know, at the back of the wig, you know, the headband portion can adjust to how loose or tight you want it to be. It has a Velcro here. Are you guys seeing that? And then the inside of the cap is just really like, you know, combs. So there are 4 combs in total in this wig. This doesn't have any adjustable straps, but the wig itself, like, it's stretchy, you know, so that's really nice. So yeah, you have means of really just securing this wig, and this can really help with tightening or loosening the wig on your head. So now that I show you guys the wig, oh my gosh, this is the ultimate throw and go. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, kind of like tighten this a little bit more and just slip it onto my head. No, it is a little, it's soft, but it's still like the curls are a little bit on the coarser texture, but it feels really good. Headband wig is always my #1 go-to wig for, like, you know, if I'm gonna run errands, if I just don't have the time of day to be finessing for a very long time, a headband wig is just always that way for me to go ahead and just, you know, throw on and go. Especially if, you know, you're just not in the vibe for all of that. So I feel like it's the #1 convenient wig. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take what they gave to me and I'm gonna put it to conceal, because one thing with me, I have to conceal the black portion. I never wear the black portion just out like that. It's as if like it's like I'm gonna wear my bra or without, you know, putting on clothes. I'm gonna go ahead and just cover that portion with the headband. And this is a very pretty headband, by the way. Super pretty. I love the hair fluffed as is. It's really gorgeous. Like the texture, everything, just really nice. The natural color, it just adds to how natural the hair looks overall. So I have to just give it to them for that. And Gorgius Wig always has very nice, great quality wigs, so I love that. Okay, love that. I'm gonna damp it with some water. I'm not gonna drench it. I don't want to get it super drenched, but you see that messy, wavy kind of vibe. I'm just gonna get a little water, not a lot, as I said, to just, you know, tame the waves down a little. Just make everything look a little bit more defined, but still maintain that like messy, effortless wave vibe, because I really love that look. That's it. That's the vibe. That's how the wig looks. Like, it's super gorgeous, super effortless, very realistic looking. All my beginners, all my ladies who want to take a break from the lace, this is your wig. You want to go, you want to go wavy, you want it to look realistic, you want it to look, you know, just like bohemian chic. Yeah, this is your wig. This is your wig. Gorgius Wig, y'all did it again. You know, it's really cute. I really love it. And I know for sure this is going into my go-to collection right away. Trust me, if you follow me on my vlog channel, whenever you see me take a break, I usually go for a nice headband wig. This is going in my go-to collection. Definitely. You can't go wrong with a nice wavy or curly headband wig. Never. So, with that being said, I'm going to be sure to drop the link to this wig in my description box, as well as the specifications you need for the wig as well. So if you want to go ahead and get it for yourself, you know, if you want to gift it to somebody, you know, feel free to go on and check my description box for all the information on that. That's it. Super easy, super to the point. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for myself. Bye.
And wash me over until my